Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a business logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo section next to the t-shirt button at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find the business logo section and just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box and tap to the edit button. You go to the keyboard icon and delete this text, write your text, and if you finish, click to the done button. In the font section you can find different font type and just select one and click that. If you want to change the color of your text, click to the color section and select another color, and in the shadow section you can add shadows to your text. If you want to change the graphic elements or add photos to your project, go to the graphic section, and in the symbol section you can find different graphic elements, or go to the photo section and here you can select photos from your device. If you go to the doodle section, just select a color and new you can draw on your project. If you go to the brush section, here you can find different object. For example, click to the star button and new you can add stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.